Hello, everybody. Welcome to Tuesday, January 26, 2021. Mr. Parrott here with your rundown of what's happening in class today. First off, make sure that you do your bell ringer. That's just a daily thing, so make sure you take care of that. Secondly, we're going to start our review process over the next couple of days by reviewing how the DNA model looks, because we did that like the third day of the unit. So it's always good to brush stuff off. So you're going to be making an edible DNA model in class. If you would like to make one of these, I have these supplies for when you come back. You can always build your own, or I'll just give them to you and you can do whatever you want with it. But there will be pictures of what you are making posted in the Schoology folder for you. You just might have to wait, because I'm going to wait until somebody makes one first hour, and I'm going to use one of their DNA models as the model for you to use as your picture and to answer the questions off of. So what you'll be doing, let me bring up the assignment. It is in the folder for today. It'll say Twizzler DNA. It's also called Edible DNA. For it, there'll be a slideshow with it up, and hey, there we go, there it is, for what we got going on with it. There's a little introduction as a review, some questions to answer as a review. Hopefully, after doing parts of the study guide, you know how all these things work, so maybe you don't even need the background information. The materials, we're using a bunch of different materials. Instead of marshmallows, we are using jelly beans instead. So whenever it mentions marshmallows, those are going to get changed out for jelly beans. But everything else stays the same. It's instructions for how you're going to assemble your DNA, what your DNA sequence is going to be. We'll talk about all that kind of stuff going on in there when I give you your picture. And actually, this is what the picture is going to look like here. Actually, I'll just use this picture. This picture will be up on Schoology for you to use. Later on, you'll have your sequences. I'm going to do some slight editing to it so that you are going to have to put on the matching pairs and match them up for everything. But I will give you one side of the DNA. You're going to have to match up the other side of the DNA. However it seems fit, you'll put your picture here with it all labeled up. Actually, I'm going to take off all of the labels for you, so you're going to have to use this key here to help you with that. So in your picture, you're going to have this key along with this sequence there to aid you with. So you're actually going to get the marshmallow experience, since we still have one from last year that is in the directions that you'll just end up using for you, because the directions will slightly change a little bit for us. So that being said, that's what you're doing today. Yeah, when you come back, I'll give you your baggie, because I made a baggie for everybody, because it's Twizzlers and jelly beans and all that kind of stuff. So you can have it when you come back. I will have a stack for them. But otherwise, you just have to go through the lab, label a picture basically, answer a couple of questions, and that's our little review for today. If you haven't finished up your study guide, you'll have plenty of time today to work on your study guide, hopefully. I hope I see you here more in person tomorrow, maybe next week, maybe sooner. I just hope that you're doing well, staying safe out there, and I will see you later. Bye.